Welcome back. In many testing scenarios, you need to perform the exact same setup steps, like creating a temporary file or initializing an object before every test. Similarly, you need to clean up those resources afterwards. In this lecture, we introduce the setup and teardown methods provided by the Unitist framework to manage this test lifecycle. 1. The need for setup and cleanup. Imagine you are testing a class that manages a database connection. You don't want to manually connect to the database in every test method, and you certainly don't want to leave open connections or temporary data cluttering your system. The setup and teardown methods are explicitly designed to handle this boilerplate setup and cleanup, ensuring each test runs in a clean, identical environment. 2. Implementing setup. The setup method is called automatically by the Unitist framework before every single test method in the class is executed. Here, we create an instance variable self.userDate, which is accessible by all the test methods. This ensures that every test starts with a fresh copy of the necessary initial data, preventing tests from affecting each other. 3. Implementing teardown. Conversely, the teardown method is called after every single test method, even if the test fails. It is used to release any resources acquired in setup. In a real-world scenario, this is where you would close database connections, delete temporary files, or reset global settings to ensure isolation and a clean system state. To summarize, setup and teardown guarantee test isolation and a reproducible environment. Our next lecture 34.05. Assignment. See you there.